Hello everyone, thank you very much for taking this course. In Learning Ethereum 2.0, we will learn about Ethereum, how to create smart contracts on Ethereum, decentralized applications, and more. But firstly, my name is Sriharsha Bingi, and I have a background in blockchain development, data science, and big data. I develop smart contracts and decentralized applications. I'm a passionate trader and cryptocurrency fanatic. You can catch more about me and my work in my portfolio harshabing.com. Let's go through the course overview. In the first section, we will look at Ethereum's fundamentals. What is the consensus and how Ethereum works? In the second section, we will start building contracts on Ethereum's network. We will compile them and deploy on the test networks using Remix. We will also look at auditing the contract. In the third section, we will create contracts for real use cases like reviews, secure mailing, and more. In the fourth section, we will look into decentralized application, what is the process flow, how to create from scratch. We will also create an election voting DApp just to know the flow and understand how a DApp is created. Finally, in the fifth section, we will compare and learn Ethereum's network problems and solutions currently it has, people who proposed the solutions. The prerequisites for this course are you need a little understanding of JavaScript and web development. We need to know programming language, at least one programming language. JavaScript is an advantage. You need to understand how a server works. A basic understanding of server is fine. We will need a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and a scripting language. The tools that we need are we will be using Chrome browser to run the JavaScript code files and the applications. We will look at the console logs, but before that, we will be needing server. We will use server side and extension of Chrome for this. We need Node for developing contracts and compiling them on Node. Although this isn't mandatory, we're not going to use Node for sure, but it is good to have and understand about it. We will be using terminal or command line if it's not present. If the terminal is not present, command line. Depends on the OS you're using. And finally, a simple text editor. Alright, let's get started.